Watch and learn, my friend. Watch and learn. We're going for the scissors. We're going for the scissors. It's scissor time. Good day. My wife, Christine Gage, and I, Tyler Gage, would like to follow up with regards to our adoption application we submitted 2 years ago. We're aware that the information we were provided from the CPFSA indicated it could take up to 2 to 5 years for a child to be placed with us for adoption. And we are patiently awaiting for that day to come. That said, as it has been 2 years from our initial correspondence, we just wanted to make sure our application was still active and completed, and that no updates were needed from us to still be considered as an adoption placement for a child. All of the information we submitted is still the same and current. Thank you for any information you can provide us at this time, and we look forward to hearing from you at your earliest convenience. Warm regards, Tyler and Christine Gage. Saturday, we made it. Chickens are fed, kids are up and romping, sun is beaming. And I got a reminder on my phone yesterday. Those calendars, they remind you of things. Yeah, it was the 1 year anniversary, again, the second anniversary of what I like to call the waiting game. So yeah, 2 years ago, as of yesterday, we submitted all of the documents necessary to pursue adopting a little one here in Jamaica. And if anybody's ever looked it up or had the pleasure of trying to navigate the adoption world of Jamaica, it is a thorough waiting game. Like, get your application in, get your home study done, do your medicals, turn in everything. And then they basically say, all right, well, when a child gets placed based on your requests, which, I wouldn't say ours are super lenient, but we're hoping to find a child in need that's around 3 or less. That was the original goal when we got here, prior to all of the other shenanigans we've come across. Yeah, it could take 2 to 5 years, and we have officially crossed the 2-year threshold. And so, while this adventure continues to evolve into what it's supposed to be, interesting, yeah, that came up and sparked some reminders that the original goals that we had when we moved here are still out there, still just out of reach, still past the threshold of what's possible at this point. And don't get me wrong, I am enjoying the endeavors and challenges that we have chosen to take on based on life's circumstances and how things have happened and evolved. However, there's also a little bit of discontent rumbling that says, yes, that's right, there was an original goal when we came here, and while that goal is not going to be short-lived, speaking of short-lived, we're going to continue to pursue it. We're going to continue to challenge ourselves to pursue the contentment arts as well. And then we're going to pursue being content with little kids that let dogs into the garden. But yeah, it's a process. It's a thing. It's a challenge to exercise patience and tolerance sometimes, whether that's with the kids you're currently with or the ones you're waiting for. And we're going to continue to see where the adventure goes. So that is where we're at. We'll probably hear back in about a month or so, and based on the last response I got a year ago when I submitted a similar request and update, it was, yeah, well, so a year ago, they hadn't actually started any applicants for the year 2023, and that was a year ago, so I'm curious, within the next month, what kind of response we're going to get, or within the next 6 weeks. I think it took over a month last time I sent an email, and whether or not they have started this year's applicants as yet, who knows? So that's an update on that. And now we're gonna water the plants because it's hot. So Dave's crunched some numbers with me this morning and talking about how much funds are going to be this month, given the newfound request for additional funds for school. As of this month, YouTube money started off at 128,000 Jamaican dollars, and we subtracted allowance money, which was 12,000. Then we had to total the amount of school money, and Dave was surprised by that amount. Yeah, Dave was surprised that, wow, it cost that much for them to go to school. $62,900 for the three of them to go to school for the month of September, based on how many school days there are. And that's not even a regular month. That's only with 3 weeks and 1 day because of the voting. And then you had to obviously subtract the $180 that we are putting into their long-term savings, Go stocks and investments. Right now, Andre's in the lead with his stock choices. More on that coming up next month. And so Dave found out that, wow, after we subtract all the expenses, we only have $26,200 for fund money for the entire month of September. And what does he say he wants to do? He wants to go to Margaritaville. It's okay. When the money's gone, it's gone. Oh, Dave, when the 26,000 is gone for the month, we do nothing fun the rest of the weekends.
Yes.
And you're okay with that? Yeah. And you're ready to go?
Yeah.
And you're not excited?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
The beach is clear. So the water is deeper. So more fish are there. So we have to explore.
Great.
It's like no, we can swim without life jacket. Yes. That's my favorite thing.
Swimming without a life jacket?
Yes.
Okay.
One time we could have it.
Yeah. And great. Well, are we going to bring life jackets for the others? I think we need to.
Yes.
I do, but they're not in the car. Yeah. Cool. All right. Babe, go pack your bag. Sonia says she's staying here. I think she gets the benefit of this. Oh, somebody's running in the house. Morris! Oh, this is why we don't run in the house, man. Happy Saturday. Cool. Yay. Okay. I don't know. I'm at the point where, you know, you've gotten a bit jaded in Jamaica. Jaded in Jamaica, man, when you're not even excited to go to Margaritaville. No offense to Margaritaville. I appreciate you for what you are. And the kids getting to have a good time. But this is a lesson on opportunity costs. When you've got 26,000 and you waste or use up probably 20,000 today to go have a good time, that means the next few weekends you're not going to have it. The land of opportunity, it costs. But I'm not super excited about it. I'm sacrificing my Saturday where I could be weeding the garden, could be painting up the gazebo. Sonia gets the lucky break on this one, and I will stake by my words on this one. Yeah, she gets to stay at home, peace and quiet. I'm doing my good deed for the day and allowing her to have some Sonia time while me and the boys go party. That's all right. It's supposed to get thunderstorms today, and it's sunny for right now, so I'm hoping that we get going soon, because it would be horrible if it had to, like, you know, rain and thunderstorm and we have to come home. Oh well. The boys have done a pretty good job this week. Every single one of them wanted that extra money for school, and so they got their chore done. They got their academic assignments done. Andre's working on double-digit subtraction and addition. Grade 3 reading. Junior got his spelling test back. It went better than I thought it was going to. He got, I think, 15 out of 20. Given that he supposedly only had a couple days to study, and given these are 5th grade words now, and yeah, he's got his work set out for him. But either way, we're going to do this, and then we'll be back. What do you order when you go to Margaritaville? That's the question of the day. What do you get? I always resort to like the BLT sandwich. And then we have to get like the big mountain of nachos, which turn into a mushy pile of whatever, because you get the kids' meals to get them the wristbands, and it's not a lot of food. We know it, and these adolescents are adolescenting. So, yeah. Curious, what's the go-to order when you go to Margaritaville when you're not exactly ordering a bunch of margaritas? All right, enough ranting. We're gonna hopefully get out here soon. Well, tell Junior we say goodbye. Goodbye. Junior's get left behind. Sorry, Junior. Hey, don't work too hard today, all right? All right. Yeah. You don't want any kids? You don't want to know, man.
No, I don't want them.
Oh, okay.
Why with them, man?
If you see one coming running down the road, just let him run, man. Do it. Oh. Does he make it? Is he going to make it? Oh, Andre's begging for him?
You must come and drive.
Oh, never. I would never do that. Let's go. Wait for it. Junior, let's go! He's gotten faster. Alright. Did you think we're not going to leave without you? I know.
Hey, you're gone over there.
Andre pleaded for your life, man. You guys ever seen the movie The Lion King? Mario, have you guys ever seen the movie The Lion King?
Lion King.
You know who Zazu is?
No.
Yeah,
You to take care of him?
He's the bird.
Like, he look like, yeah.
He's the bird.
And he chat too much.
Well, you know, sometimes this scene for right now that reminds me of Zazu and the Lion King is when they go to the watering hole. They go to the watering hole, and Zazu's like, the sooner we get to the water hole, the sooner we get to go home. So, bring on the water hole.
My first week of school, I enjoy it because I play with my friend and I do some schoolwork with my friend and I get spellings and I do good on my spellings. And when I go home, I'm going to show you my spellings, how I done. So stay tuned. My first week at school, it was fun and I do some schoolwork and Miss doesn't give we no work and I play with my friends and stay.
So my first week of school was great because I do some tests and I look at my grades.
So good morning, YouTubers. My first week of school was great because I got to play with my teacher and classmate at maths class, and my teacher was strict, yeah. And I do business cultural. Say name business cultural Tyler.
You haven't shown me a text?
Business time. Yeah. And I got my all my stickies right. And I do yesterday I do social study and lit and geography. So goodbye.
The first week at school, I did some GCT, that is stand for General Consumer Tax, and VAT, Value Added Tax, and I learn about sentence, how to create a full sentence and full stop, and some of the class, the teacher make us introduce ourselves, and the lunch, the party is nice, and I met some new friends. And tracks is going great for me because I'm getting faster. Yes, that is what.
Margaritaville. Yeah, best thing about getting to the tourist spot early on a Saturday morning without a cruise ship. Not too busy. You actually get parking and peace and quiet. Not necessarily in that order. Right? You ready? You ready? Okay, here we go. All right, what are we getting? Do you want what? What does that say that we're reading, remember? No, that's the cheese. This will be here. Mini.
Mini cheese burger in
Paradise.
mini burgers with little and tomatoes.
Cool, that's what you want?
Yep.
Cool.
Burger and fries, please.
What? Mario, I don't work here. You gotta wait for the person that works here to order.
Soda.
So we have Sprite, ginger beer tea, Coke.
Can I have chicken with
Barbecue, jerk barbecue, buffalo. Quesadilla. You want this one with French fries? Or would you like it with mashed potato?
Ooh, that sounds good.
macaroni and cheese?
No, I did. That's a separate thing.
Yeah.
A burger.
And burger for you.
This only food points.
It's just a mixture.
Going up. Okay, and then you gotta put the thing on, yeah. What? I know, the pool's closed right now. It's still getting treated. Maurice, how's the water?
Good.
Yeah? Where are you going?
Become the grande.
All right, if you say so.
Technology. I see.
Right, I need some avid witnesses here. This is my first time going to Margaritaville and not ordering an adult beverage. In fact, I didn't even order the BLT. I got the salad. Yep. I mean, we got some nachos too. I'm probably gonna steal some fries, but calling this a win. What, you thought we were gonna just sail off into the car ride home? No, the rain caught us.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No.
it's raining. We're gonna be okay. It's okay. We're staying dry. We're having a good time. We're under the umbrella.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready for what, Craig?
Ready.
Okay, bye.
Umbrella.
He's brave.
Me too.
If you're done eating,
Let me grab the
all right. Time to go, guys. Time to go. What is wrong with it? Oh boy. You good? All right, gentlemen and gentlemen. How much was our adventure today? $26,000. Not one drop of adult beverages. That is the Margaritaville way. So, we now know our YouTube money is exhausted. It is finished. It is gone for the rest of the month. Which means next few weekends come up, we're going to have to find things to do that are enjoyable, that don't cost any money, which we've done in the past and we will do again. But I think it was a fun time. I'm glad we got to here before the rain did. And yeah, it was a good time. Had a great server, shared some great stories. Now we just got to figure out how to get out of here. Maybe. And we had some great rain as well. Alright, that is it. Thank you, sir. Yep, didn't have to pay for parking today because we got here early. Woohoo! I did. Look at it, kitty. Run, kitty, run. Alright. Know where we're going?
Home.
Home. We gotta try to beat to the ice cream man. Andre, I have no idea. What'd you say? I hope so too. Alright, on the count of 3, there's no place like home. 1, 2, 3. You know where we're going? You have any idea where we're going? No, you don't. Hold this. We're gonna need it. Let's go. Secret mission. So, fun thing about Jamaica. Sometimes in life, you get sour oranges just hanging out over the edge, living life on the edge. And then you go chat with your neighbor and you're like, hey neighbor, I see you got some sour oranges over here. And they say, hey neighbor, how about we go halvesies? And you say, sweet. Or in this case, sour. Hey, I need your help. Mars, I need you to pick those. Got it? Okay, go. You can't reach it. Yo, you need help? All right, come. Let's try again. Going up. Pull. Twist. Pull. This went a lot smoother in my head, dude. It got you. Hold on. Watch and learn, my friend. Watch and learn. We're going for the scissors. We're going for the scissors. It's scissor time. Came back with the scissors. He said he was going to be right here. I'm no expert, but Not only did he leave, he took the bowl with him. Wow. So hard to find good help around here. You're so funny. I thought you were there. Kids. You were hiding. I knew it.
Yeah. I didn't hide.
Okay, put the bowl down. You're gonna be in charge of the camera. You ready? You think you can handle it? Okay. All right, you gotta look through the camera, dude. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Can you see me? How do I look? I got one. Ooh, that smells like one. Still see me?
Yeah.
All right, we got some. Check, look. Can you see him? Can you see him? Look in the camera. Look in the camera. You see him? All right. Nice. Come. Where are we? Bucket. It smells like orange.
No.
Oh, in the bucket. Oh, here we go. 1,
Yes, sir.
2. God. Ooh. I know. What do we need? We need a ladder. We're going up to the ladder. All right, you get the oranges, right?
Yeah.
You got them. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, it's a long way down. Keep going. Can you reach? You're gonna go higher? Can you go ahead? Careful. Careful. You can do it. I'll catch you. Up. Up. Oh, you can't reach? All right, my turn. My turn. Let me try. Yes, you can. Go down. Step down. There you go. Good job. Careful. Careful. Oi. And almost there. Almost there. Yay! Good job. Okay. All right, you ready? Let's go. What? Leave it come. I'm going up. You're gonna catch him. By far, it's nice knowing you. All right. Ready? Whoa. Reach. Catch it. Just get it. Mars. Okay. In the bucket. Did you miss? I heard that. Come on. Mars. Mars. You know the challenge. You don't need a Mars. Just take the orange. Just take the orange. Cool. You did it. Easy.
Easy.
You just get the orange. Okay, okay. Almost. All right, we did it.
Yes.
We did it. We're doing it.
Yeah, we did it. We did it.
Yeah, we did it. All right, no, we got one more thing to do.
What's that?
We gotta count them. All right, let's count. What do we got?
1,
2,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Oh, careful. Is it heavy?
No.
Okay, bye. Where are you going with my oranges? Where are you going with my oranges? All right, go bring them to the kitchen. To the kitchen. To the kitchen. To the kitchen. Oh, you better not. Mark, set, go. Ah, okay. You got lucky. You got lucky. All right, I gotta bring him to the neighbor.
Wait.
You sure you can carry it? It's kind of heavy. Whoa.
No,
It's not heavy?
No.
And why are you struggling? Mhm.
No.
Let's go. Oh, 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 oh. All right. Almost there. Time to deliver, man. Yeah? Yeah? We got a big...
Water.
Oh no, what are we gonna do?
No, no,
Eh?
Dumb.
All right. 1, 2, 3, jump. Okay, cool. You did it.
All
right. Go, 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 go. He's backing up. Go, 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 quick. Go, Mario.
No,
Oh my gosh. You got it? Push. All right. Man, labor costs are adding up, but they're so sweet. The bag juices, anyway. All right, to the farm. We need some cucumbers, some lettuce. And Mario's to the sugar. Lord, Mario. Go wash your hands, dude. It's sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah. And wow. Our future. Lettuce is in. Mario, Andre's got the scissors. Work together. Andre?
All right.
All right. Lettuce. That's, yeah. Mario's got the cucumbers. This is getting very dramatic. Andre, watch your step. Okay. Some washing will be necessary. Cool. More lettuce. Yeah. Right behind you. By the fence. Whoa. I know, these cucumbers are crazy, man.
One is sweeter.
They are good. Can you pass it to Andre? Teamwork makes the dream work. Andre, pass it to the bowl. Cool. Alright, keep the littler ones. I think that's it.
This one? This one.
Hey, out! Spot. Who left the door open? Cool. Alright, Mario, that's enough. Mario. I know. Mario, watch your feet. Alright, we'll get some more lettuce and we'll be good. Well, I'd say it was a pretty good haul. Did anybody count the cucumbers?
It's either 4 or 5.
I think it was 5, yeah. 5 cucumbers, a bunch of lettuce. Know what we got to do now?
Cut it up.
Well, I think we should wash it first, but that's probably a good idea. Andre, what time is it? Cool. All right, real quick, before time lapse time. Hold on, before time lapse time, I got to show them the bathroom update. It's getting close. So yeah, Mario, it's gonna look much like ours, except it has a nook, a little shelf for stuff, and it's gonna have a big old glass door. Maybe tomorrow it'll be done. Maybe tomorrow. All right, Mario, what time is it?
Time lapse time.
Nice. So, it is officially day 14 on the eggs schedule. Thankfully, just a few hours ago, now that I finally checked my mail, I found out our brooder and accessories have arrived, along with Sonia's magical cleaner that probably weighed some good amount too. But yeah, you had to, make everyone happy getting stuff from Amazon. She's
Craig, I'm very serious. Of course, need to drop on your body.
shorts are important, yes. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see day 14. Supposedly the egg actually should be pretty dark, because we're just a week or less away from anything alive in there actually hatching. Supposedly, still working on that one. All right, let's see what an egg looks like. Why not? All right, iPad zombies, day 14. Okay, if you're gonna come check them out, let's do this. Trying to give me his little moment here.
Yeah, funny.
Yeah, that one is definitely moving. Hmm? No.
Funny deal when they were watch. All of them are watch.
It's not guaranteed, but around the same time, I can see the vein on that one. Look at the vein down there. Yeah, this one's. I think. All right, Andre, tell the YouTubers good night.
We're done.
Well, they are. They're gonna go to. We're gonna end the episode.
YouTuber.
Okay.